Hi everyone, Chef Mark at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I walked into the store today and saw this amazing Traeger display. We now carry Traeger, and Traeger, of course, is the gold standard in pellet cooking. So I had a great question, and it was like, how the heck does one of these work? Now you probably know, if you own a Traeger in your fan, you know how these work. But for those of you who have no idea, let me explain it to you, and it's quite simple. Basically, you have a box here, you pour these pellets into the box. And if you look down there, you can see what looks like a screw, and that is the auger. When you turn this on, it spins the auger, it delivers the pellets into and underneath the grill, into a heat source. There's a box with an electric heater that heats up the pellets, which creates smoke and heat, which then comes into the cavity, giving you the smoke. So what Traegers are great for is that low and slow cooking. However, I know you can get these hot enough to grill burgers. They're really popular with reverse sear, so you can throw it on a low smoke for a few minutes, kind of get that smoky undertone, and then go onto a hot grill. There's a million ways to use a Traeger. Now the pellets, we have a supply of pellets here. They come in different kinds of wood, pecan, apple. There's some blends, signature, you can see here, maple cherry and artisan hardwoods, hickory, mesquite. So you can control the amount of flavor you're getting depending on what wood you're using. And you can see the pellets here. They're a manufactured pellet, and they're designed to create both heat and smoke very consistently. So hopefully that answers the question, how the heck does one of these work? And like I said at the beginning of the video, they really are the gold standard for a pellet machine. So if you want to check one out, come on by Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. We have a full line of Traegers. You know they're amazing machines. And if you're looking for one, come see us. Make sure you like and subscribe.